Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to draft an affidavit. An affidavit is a formal written declaration, signed under oath or affirmation, before an authorized legal officer. It serves as factual evidence in many legal situations, stating that the information provided is truthful to the best of your knowledge. This crucial document holds significant legal weight once properly executed, ensuring accuracy and accountability from the declarant. Every affidavit must precisely identify the affiant, including their full name and current address. You need to prominently display the case name and court where the affidavit will be used, typically at the top of the first page. A crucial part is the jurat, which is the section where the notary public certifies that the affiant made the oath or affirmation. This ensures legal validity, authenticating the commitment to truth. When writing your statement, focus solely on verifiable facts you personally witnessed or know. Maintain a clear, chronological flow of events to enhance readability and comprehension for the reader. Use specific details, such as exact dates and names, to strengthen your account and provide essential context. Avoid any emotional language or unsupported conclusions, as these detract from the affidavit's credibility and legal standing. Before signing, carefully review your entire affidavit to catch any typos or factual inaccuracies. You must sign the document in the physical presence of a notary public. They will verify your identity and witness your signature. The notary then adds their signature, seal, and the date, making the document legally binding. Remember to make several copies for your records before submitting the original to the relevant legal body.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.